everyone. This is Tamara Lankowski again at the Davison Farmers Market here, and we are in the Living Water booth.
On a rainy day.
On a rainy day, and it's pretty busy, but this is my friend Kendall, and Kendall created this delicious dill pickle hot sauce. And this thing is out of this world good, and what I do, I like to eat tuna, so I buy these tuna packets. They're so easy. This is like a perfect on-the-go snack that you can have. And I'll just stick it in here and add this sauce to it. And I got a delicious tuna with all healthy ingredients and some delicious hot sauce on it. And you can purchase this hot sauce at Living Water right here in John's booth. Okay, thank you so much for watching.
You can mix it with sour cream to make an amazing chip dip, hamburgers, hot dogs, tartar sauce for your fish. Well, just like that there, a fish taco. It will blow you away. Is that amazing or what?
Oh my gosh.
There's nothing like this out there. I have a review channel called TasteTheHeat.com. I've reviewed over 1,000 different hot sauces. And that's why we came up with this, because it's completely different and nobody has anything like it out there.
This is like the perfect spicy. The perfect spicy. Like just enough to make the food taste delicious, and it's not going to kill you, burn your tongue.
No. It's made with a scorpion pepper, and the scorpion pepper, the heat will dissipate when you put it with food. So initially you might get a little bit of a sting, but it's going to go away right away because it's not a long-lasting sting from the scorpion pepper. And it mixes, the flavor of the pepper mixes so well with the dill pickle.
And you can come get it at the Davison Farmers Market, so come visit us, okay? God bless you. Thank you for watching.